How to fix the unrecognized game client launch error that appears when launching a game through Epic Games, Steam, or the Xbox app. Let's get started. First, open the installation folder of the game. You can find it through Epic Games, Steam, or the Xbox app, depending on where you installed the game. Once you are inside the game folder, right-click on an empty area and select Properties. Under the General tab, click Advanced. Now look for the option called Compress Contents to save disk space. If it is enabled, uncheck it and click OK, then Apply and OK. Next, open the game folder and go to the Binaries folder. Then open the Win64 folder. Delete the Win64 folder. Do not worry. The required files will be downloaded again when we verify the game files. Now open your game launcher. If you are using Epic Games, Steam, or Xbox, go to your game library and find the affected game. For Steam, open Properties, go to Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. For Epic Games, open the game options and select Manage, then click Verify. For Xbox, use the Repair or Verify option available for the installed game. Wait until the verification process is completely finished. Finally, restart the launcher and launch the game again. The unrecognized game client launch error should now be fixed. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more gaming fixes. Thanks for watching.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.